Good morning friends, I am Ranjit Dhunde. Welcome to lecture series on matrix analysis. In the last lecture, we have already seen if the rank of augmented matrix is equal to the rank of coefficient matrix A, then the given system is consistent. That means given system have a solution. And if rank of augmented matrix is not equal to the rank of coefficient matrix A, then the system is inconsistent. That means system have no solution. Now let us discuss this with some examples. Example 1, solve the following system of linear equations. So here x, y, z are three variables and three given equations. Now first, whether the given system have a solution और नो सॉल्यूशन. तो ये जो है इसका डिसीजन लेने के लिए हम सबसे पहले ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स सी लिखते और चेक करते कि रैंक सी इज इक्वल टू रैंक ए. तो ऑगमेंटेड मैट्रिक्स सी इज इक्वल टू मैट्रिक्स ए एंड मैट्रिक्स बी. तो ये भी द कोएफिशिएंट मैट्रिक्स तो मैंने पहले ही लिख दिया है. तो here the coefficient of x, y, z in the first equation are 1, 1, 1, 1. In the second equation are 1, minus 1, 2. And third equation are 3, 1, 1. And this last column be the matrix B. The here B be the constant column matrix, means right hand side 6, 5, 8. अब रैंक चेक करना है तो वी कन्वर्ट दिस मैट्रिक्स इनटू इचलॉन फॉर्म. तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट लीडिंग नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट. अब हम इसका यूज करके R2 में जीरो करेंगे और R3 में जीरो करेंगे. तो R2 चेंजेस R2 माइनस R1. तो आंसर आएगा 1 माइनस 1, आंसर 0. फर्स्ट रो एज इट इज है. -1 -1 -2 और 2 माइनस 1, इसका आंसर आएगा 1. 5 माइनस 6, आंसर हो गया -1. नाउ R3 चेंजेस. तो 3 माइनस 1 जीरो नहीं होता है. 3 माइनस 3 टाइम्स 1 जीरो हो जाएगा. तो R3 माइनस 3 टाइम्स R1. तो 3 माइनस 3 टाइम्स 1, आंसर 0. 1 माइनस 3 माइनस 2 और 1 माइनस 3 टाइम्स 1 यानी 1 माइनस 3 अगेन माइनस 2. 8 minus 3 times 6 means 8 minus 18, आंसर इज -10. अब ये है लीडिंग नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट और यहाँ जीरो करना है. तो R3 चेंजेस R3 माइनस R2. तो फर्स्ट रो एज इट इज 1 1 1 6. सेकंड रो 0 -2 1 minus 1 और लास्ट रो R3 चेंजेस R3 माइनस R2. तो यहाँ तो जीरो ही रहेगा. -2 माइनस -2, आंसर इज 0. -2 माइनस 1 -3 और -10 माइनस -1, ये हो रहा है -9. अब ये हो गया. दिस इज द इचलॉन फॉर्म ऑफ द गिवन मैट्रिक्स C. अब ये जो पार्ट है दिस इज द echelon form of the matrix A and this is this complete matrix means echelon form of the matrix C. Now rank A is equal to number of non-zero rows in the echelon form of A. So here this is first non-zero row, this is second non-zero row and this is third. So rank A is equal to 3. Now rank C, this is first non-zero row, this is second non-zero row and this is third non-zero row. So rank C is equal to also 3. So therefore rank be the same. So it is denoted by this common rank is denoted by R. Now here rank is equal to rank C, therefore the system is consistent. Means system have a solution. The system is consistent means system have a unique solution our system will have infinitely many solutions. So here this n means number of variables. Now here n equal to 3 and rank is equal to also 3. So here r equal to n. So therefore system have unique solution. Now this is the echelon form of the matrix C. So this 1 times x plus 1 times y plus 1 times z is equal to 6. X plus y plus z is equal to 6. 0 times x minus 2 times y plus 1 times z is equal to minus 1. 0 times x plus 0 times y minus 3 times z is equal to minus 9. अब गिवन सिस्टम और ये जो रो इचलॉन फॉर्म वाली सिस्टम है इनका सॉल्यूशन सेम है. तो हियर z is equal to minus 9 upon minus 3 means z is equal to 3. Now by using the back substitution, so minus 2 times y plus 3 is equal to minus 1. So therefore y is equal to minus 4 by minus 2 means y is equal to 2. Now by substituting y equal to 2 and z equal to 3 in the first equation, the x plus 2 plus z means 3 is equal to 6. Therefore this x is equal to 6 minus 2 minus 3 means 6 minus 5 means x equal to 1. This is the required solution for the given system. Now this satisfies the given equations. Now second example, solve the given linear system. Here also x, y, z are 3 variables and 3 equations. Now augmented matrix C is equal to matrix A and B. Now A is the coefficient matrix. The coefficient of x, y, z in the first equation are 1, minus 2, minus 1. In the second equation are 1, 8, minus 3. और थर्ड इक्वेशन में एक्स वाई जेड के कोएफिशिएंट है 2, 1 और minus 3. Now B be the constant column matrix means right hand side, तो 5, minus 1, 7. Now इसको भी हमें इचलॉन फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो R2 चेंजेस R2 माइनस R1 क्योंकि यहाँ 0 करना है, यहाँ 0 R3 में 0 करना है, तो R3 चेंजेस R3 minus 2 times R1. Now new matrix is equivalent to old. तो first row as it is 1 minus 2 minus 1 5. सेकंड रो में चेंज हो रहा है 1 minus 1 0. 8 minus minus 2 यानी ये 10 minus 3 minus minus 1 यानी ये minus 2 और minus 1 minus 5 ये हो गया minus 6. R3 changes R3 minus 2 times R1, तो 2 minus 2 times 1 0. अब 1 minus 2 times minus 2 यानी ये हो गया टोटल 5. अब minus 3 minus 2 times minus 1 यानी ये आंसर आ रहा है minus 3 plus 2 and a minus 1. 7 minus 2 times 5, 7 minus 10 minus 3. अब ये है लीडिंग नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट इन द सेकंड रो. तो R3 चेंजेस, अब इसका यूज करके यहाँ 0 करना है. तो R3 चेंजेस 2 टाइम्स R3, ये 5 है, इसको 10 करने के लिए 2 टाइम्स R3 माइनस R2. तो फर्स्ट रो 1 minus 2 minus 1 5. सेकंड रो 0 10 minus 2 minus 6 और लास्ट रो में चेंज हो रहा है 0 2 times 0 minus 0 means 0. Now 2 times R3 minus R2, 2 times 5 minus 10 answer 0. 2 times minus 1 means minus 2 minus minus 2 answer 0. 2 times minus 3 means minus 6 minus minus 6 answer is 0. ये हो गई. दिस इज द इचलॉन फॉर्म ऑफ द गिवन मैट्रिक्स सी. and therefore rank A is equal to number of non-zero rows in the echelon form of A. This last row be the 0 for A and for C also. The answer is 0. Rank C is also rank A is equal to 2 and rank C is also 2. So therefore the system is consistent. Means system have a one solution or many solution. Now here n means number of variables. Here n equal to 3 and therefore r is equal to 2, the r less than n, and therefore the system will have infinitely many solutions. फिर से ये जो नई सिस्टम है उसको इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट करते तो दिस 1 टाइम्स x माइनस 2 टाइम्स y माइनस z इज इक्वल टू 5u, 0 टाइम्स x 10 टाइम्स y माइनस 2 टाइम्स z इज इक्वल टू माइनस 6. अब ये जो नई सिस्टम है और गिवन सिस्टम है हैव द सेम solution. Now here n minus r is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 means one variable will be given arbitrary value. So let z equal to k and k be the arbitrary. So therefore substituting the z equal to k in this equation, to 10 times y minus 2 times k is equal to minus 6, 10 times y is equal to दिस माइनस, तो इस साइड लेके जाएंगे प्लस माइनस 6 एंड देयरफॉर दिस y इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स k माइनस 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 10, तो k माइनस 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. नाउ अगेन by substituting z equal to k and y equal to k minus 3 by 5 in this first equation, x minus 2 times k minus 3 by 5 minus k is equal to 5. So therefore this x is equal to 5 plus k plus 2 times k minus 3 by 5. Now by using the cross multiplication, 25 plus 5 times k plus 2 times k minus 6 divided by 5. Answer is 5 times k plus 2 times k means 7 times k, 25 minus 6 means plus 19 divided by 5. This is the x. Therefore the given system have the infinite solution and solution be the x equal to 7 times k plus 19 by 5 and y equal to k minus 3 by 5 and z equal to k. Now last problem, solve the given system. So here 4 variables x1, x2, x3 and x4 and given equations are 3. Now again we check whether the given system have a solution or no solution. So therefore again we write the augmented matrix C and this is equal to the coefficient of x1, x2, x3 and x4 in the first equation 1, 1, minus 2, 3 and right hand side be the 4. In the second equation 2, 3, 3 minus 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 1 and right hand side be the 3. In the last equation 5, 7, 4, 1 and right hand side be the 5. Now अब इसका यूज करके अब ये तो पता चल गया कि आपको यहाँ जीरो करना है, यहाँ जीरो करना है, तो R2 चेंजेस R2 माइनस 2 टाइम्स R1, R3 चेंजेस R3 माइनस 5 टाइम्स R1. अब ये सब आपको आता है. तो 2 minus 2 times 1 answer is 0, 3 minus 2 times 1 तो answer is 1, 3 minus 2 times minus 2 तो 3 plus 2 times 2 means 4, तो 3 plus 4 7, minus 1 2 times 3 means minus 7, अब 3 minus 2 times 4, so 3 minus 2 times 4 means 3 minus 8, answer is minus 5. Now R3 changes, R3 minus 5 times R1, so 5 minus 5 times 1, answer 0. 7 minus 5 times 1, answer 2. 4 minus 5 times minus 2 means 14. 1 minus 5 times 3 means 1 minus 15, answer is minus 14. 5 minus 4 times 5 times 4, so 5 minus 20, answer is minus 15. अब इसका यूज करके हमें यहाँ जीरो करना है, तो R3 चेंजेस, R3 minus 2 times R1, so first row as it is 1 1 minus 2 3 4, second row 0 1 7 minus 7 minus 5, and last row 0. R3 changes, R3 minus 5 times R3 changes, R3 minus 2 times R1, so 2 minus 2 times 1, answer is 0. 14 minus 2 times 7, again 0. minus 14 minus 2 times minus 7, फिर से 0. अब minus 15 minus 2 times minus 5 means minus 15 plus 10, answer is minus 5. Now this is the echelon form of the given matrix. This is the echelon form of the matrix A, and this complete matrix be the echelon form of the matrix C. Now here rank A is equal to number of non-zero rows in the echelon form of A. So this is first non-zero row, this is the second non-zero row, and this is the zero row. The rank A is equal to 2. Now rank C is equal to, this is the non-zero row for C, this is non-zero row for C, this is non-zero row for C. The rank C is equal to 3, and therefore rank A not equal to rank C, and therefore the given system is inconsistent, means system have no solution. Please do watch the lectures and subscribe the channel. Thank you.